So this is the area of Busan that I'm staying in. Now Busan is a port city. It's the largest port city in South Korea. It's also the second largest city in South Korea, Seoul being number one. Dang, it's bright. So you can see right on the bottom of the building, all these cool little restaurants and shops. So that's the building I'm staying in, right along the water. And then again, on the bottom, all the different shops and restaurants, convenience stores, whatnot. So my friend Eileen has been looking for the BTS Team Money cards, which are the cards you use you can use it for subway, buses, taxis, vending machines, whatnot. Everywhere has been sold out, but the CU stores are the ones that have it. I'm gonna check for her and see if this one has one. Yep. So no luck. They are sold out everywhere. Supposed to be one of the most popular places. One of the things Busan is known for is their pork soup with rice. Is this place any good?
Yeah, it's really good.
Okay.
It was a bit awkward. Like it's got a sign-in system to reserve a table, and then like we could do most things in English, but it asked for like a Korean phone number, and then we just put some random numbers in. That was fine. And then like the menu is in Korean. So.
Okay. Well, I can read that at least. So.
You can read that. Okay, yeah, and you're fine. Yeah.
All right. Thank you.
Have a good time.
You too. Alright, so what I'm ordering here is the 돼지국밥, the pork soup with rice, and then suyook, which is just a plate of meat. So it's gonna be pork meat. 돼지국밥, the best one, is 13,000 won. The suyook, which is a plate of beef, the best one here, smaller size, 33,000 won, so total of 46,000. Number 78. Unfortunately, the plate of meat I got, the suyook, the plate of pork, that takes about 15 minutes for them to prepare. So I opted to just get both the soup dish and the plate of meat at the same time. So I gotta wait about 15-20 minutes for it. Check this out. The pork rice soup. There's already rice in there. Look at all this thin sliced pork belly, other cuts of pork. Wow. 알겠습니다. So they have the cut meat around, and this is just one big hunk. So he said eat all the cut meat first, call them over, they'll come by and cut up the rest of it. That looks amazing. Pork belly, little dip in salt. very tender, really tender, but there's also a nice chew to the fat. That is incredible. Holy crap, you guys gotta check that one out. Final day, we're leaving Busan. Oh, it's right outside. Oh, you can see one of the ladies, the diving ladies. Yeah, right out. There's two of them. See them right there?